Welcome everyone guys, I'm Fausto Carnevale, ESENtaxa, and in this video we will talk about asset protection when you want to move to Italy. I am an accountant, but we receive a lot of questions. Today I'm in Belgium here. I took a weekend off and we receive a lot of questions about how can I protect my asset if I move to Italy. Do I have to open a trust? Yes, no. So in this video we'll try to explain something very important, so stay tuned. So remember this, the first, the asset protection, it's important not only if you do a business, a risky business, like, I don't know, I was talking with my cousin who is a doctor in Italy, and basically he told me that a lot of person basically in Italy try to sue the doctor when they are not happy, even just to get some money. So they have to make a big insurance and then they risk. And then I told him, don't worry, in case they will sue you, you have a lot of asset protection. So let's talk about the levels of asset protection in Italy, but more in general in the Eurozone, in the Europe, those are the same. And this is I can affirm this because I'm in touch with a lot of people who do asset protection, because I'm also interested in asset protection for my business. Not maybe now that I'm young, but maybe in 10 years from now, when I want to start to think about basically the inheritance. Not because I'm die, because I will be young even 20 years from now, hopefully, but because just it's good to diversify your risk. So the first level of asset protection, it's very easy. It's not a trust, it's not a company, it's not an insurance. It's just to keep the money in multiple countries. So if you come to the US, and I was saying in Italy, maybe you are a consultant, you don't want to hear about asset protection because you say, what can I do wrong? But in this case, maybe the tax authorities can understand. And when in Italy the tax authorities, for instance, let's say in Europe they are somewhere more, they are more bad with the citizen, but in general, one first way of asset protection is do not have your money all in one country. And consider that I'm saying this because there are a lot of accountants in Italy who speaks in Italian that who say to the Italians with bigger YouTube channel than us, very famous, say, hey, open a bank account abroad. You know, this is the first way to avoid, for instance, that your assets are freezed, your financial assets. So open a bank account abroad. You're coming from the States, from Canada, from Australia, from Switzerland, I don't know. Just try to keep your money, not keep your eggs in different basket. So this is the first level, and it's free because you're moving to Europe from another country. The second level is the SRL company, but this is, of course, if you need it. If you move to Italy, you may know, for instance, we have the impatriate regime, the forfeit regime. What the hell are you thinking about an SRL? Yeah, but let's say you want to do an investment or some business more risky, the SRL limits the responsibility to the money that you put inside. So this is the second way. The third way is the trust of insurance, but this is a way to when you have a lot of money, I would say more than 200,000-300,000 euro in cash, and you do a risky business, because if you want to retire to Italy or here to Belgium, you don't need those kind of third way of asset protection. The fourth way is an easy one. Make a company and then give the share to your son, your wife. So in this case, you don't have to think about the inheritance tax, because you already gave the share of the company to your daughter, to your son, to your, I don't know who, your lover maybe, no? So this is the way. Another way, of course, is to diversify the investments, but I'm not an investment guy, even if I know a lot about investments, because I invest myself a bit and I study what can I do best, but diversify. Don't have all your money in cash. Try to buy also maybe cars, watch, art. This is a legal way to diversify. So I hope that this video gave you a first clue of asset protection. If you need more information and if you want to relocate to Europe, we have a specific plan. We created a specific plan, so you can send us an email at info@ESENtaxa.com, because basically we can help you and we can reply your email and we can support you for 1, 2, 3, 5 years, and we can make sure that you do tax-wise and also legal-wise, because we also know a lot about the law, as tax and law it's very similar, and we have also a lot of partner lawyer, so we make sure that you move to Italy in a good way. And we also can do, as I already told you in a lot of video, tax simulation. So you know, basically if you want to sell the house, buy some house in Italy, buy stocks, what is the exact amount of taxes that you are paying every year. And we can do this simulation in Europe. Of course, we are based in Belgium and Italy, so in those two countries we can support you. We can even meet if you are in Belgium, but in general we can simulate everything in Europe. So I hope that you like this video. You can book a consulting call, the preliminary consulting call, in the description link. This is the only way to talk with us. And if you need a specific situation, specific case, you can text us at info@ESENtaxa.com. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale from Belgium, and stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.